so sorry. The next presentation, Mr. Supriyati, participant number 37. Are you ready? Mr. Supriyati, you have a 10 minutes to present. The title is Analysis, Commitment, Leadership of Community Health Center, Inpatient Performance Evaluation after accreditation status. Okay, you have a 10 minutes. Time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Supriyati Bojonegoro. Today, I would like to explain my thesis result by title Analysis, Commitment, Leadership of Community Health Center and Patient to Achievement Performance Evaluation after Accreditation Status. Next. Background, accreditation of community health center is an effort to improve the quality and performance of service by establishing a quality management system, maintenance of public health effort, and a clinical or individual service system. The purpose of the research is to know the commitment of the leadership of community health service in improving the achievement performance evaluation post accreditation status of inpatient community health center. Next. The site analytic cross-sectional study subject 26 inpatient community health service in Bojonegoro district, wide purpose sampling. Next. Independent variable breast self-examination. Independent variable commitment of the leadership of community health center. Analysis collected by questionnaire. Data were analyzed by path analysis. Next. Result. Public health effort development has a significant level of 0.011. Administrasi management has a significant level of 0.034. Individual health effort has a significant level of 0.022, and quality has a significant level of 0.045. From the four areas, the result that with the less significant value of 0.011 in the field of public health effort development is the most influential field in the leadership effort to increase to achievement of the performance evaluation. The R square follows shows the number 649. Analysis of data using SPSS version 25 of Windows wide analysis of data rank in the analytic and double linear regression. Next. Conclusion. A partial variable public health effort SME development, administrasi management, individual health effort, and quality influence on the commitment of the leadership element. Commitment is key element with an impact of 64.9%. Achievement performance evaluation. Next. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, to honorable lecturer, moderator, and all participants of the Strada International Conference on Health. In this morning, we are always protected by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. First of all, I would like to introduce in myself. My name is Husnul Khotimah. I am Master Degree of Public Health Strada Indonesia, Mayor KIA. Every day I work as my midwife Ngantang Health Center in Malang. In this morning, I will present of my research with the title Analysis of Breastfeeding Pattern of Exclusive Breastfeeding for Mother Carrier or Early Breastfeeding Initiation and the factor that influence it in the working area of Ngantang Public Health Center. Next. Background: early breastfeeding initiation, a process letting the baby's skin contact with the mother's skin for 1 hour until the baby can suckle itself. Implementation of early breastfeeding initiation followed by exclusive breastfeeding. Next. First, the research uses quantitative analysis using retrospective observation. Second, venue and time in the work area of Ngantang Community Health Center in February 2020, 1 month. Third, subject of sample of 151 respondents were 151 nursing mother with baby her 6 to 12 months or selected by random sampling. Dependent variable of my research, exclusive breastfeeding, independent for 4. First, early breastfeeding initiation. Second, motherless status. Third, husband support. Fourth, mother motivation. Collected by questionnaire the data process and the collection were testing using logistic regression. Next. Result of the analysis of early breastfeeding initiation, p-value equal 0.352 or maternal resident status, p-value equal 0.378. Husband support, p-value 0.872 and had no significant effect about breastfeeding only maternal. Motivation influence, p-value 0.026. Next, conclusion: the success of exclusive breastfeeding strongly influenced by the high motivation of breastfeeding mother, provide exclusive breastfeeding for variable early initiative of breastfeeding mother resident status, husband support, no significant effect on the success. Next. Next, ma'am. Next. Although not significant, but the support of familial species husband is needed for the breastfeeding process, especially exclusive breastfeeding. The last one is exclusive breastfeeding net suffer from a parthian, especially wall officer, midwife, doctor, nurses at the first motivator for breastfeeding of a better generation of Indonesia. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, the first presenter is Mrs. Okay, Mrs. Sulistyorini. Okay, the third presenter is Mrs. Sulistyorini.
Ya, Assalamualaikum. Hello, Miss.
Yes,
I'm ready.
the title is Basic Life Support, Knowledge, Local Evaluation Analysis of Non-Medical Employees, following BLS training. Okay, let's start Mrs. Sulistyorini.
Thanks very much. This time for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sulistyorini, come from University Nahdlatul Ulama Surabaya. My paper topics basic life support, BLS, knowledge level evaluation analysis of non-medical employees post following BLS training. Every medical service provider must have BLS capability. Patients are unconscious and don't see who is helping and where is the place. Even patients are often not aware that the helper is not medical, non-medical, so the hospital requires medical and non-medical personnel of the able to do BLS. Next. The stage of research in descriptive quality, the purpose of this study is to provide an overview of the characteristics on non-medical employees, where there is a relationship with knowledge based on the training that has been found. The research sample is that all non-medical employees who have attended BLS training at RSI Hospital Islamic Hospital Surabaya, Mediani, all 30 years. Next, 30 people. Made that table, it can be seen that the identification result of the nurse of response of non-medical office at Islamic Hospital Andiani, who at best life support training names 19 respondents had good knowledge with a percent of 52.6. 9 respond sulfitol level with percent of 72.6 and list knowledge at max as 5 respondents with percent of 15.6. This shows that the less frequency with good knowledge is 19 respondents with a percent of 52.6. Next. Based on table from the cross tabulation between year of work and knowledge, it can be seen that the great frequency of good knowledge is respond with a percent of 18.2 with a working period of less than 5, that the small frequency of knowledge is now as much as a respondent with a percent of 3% with a safe life of 25 years. Based on the result, most of respondents with service life
Less than 5 have good annual-based life support training. Next. 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 Conclusion. The conclusion of this study is that knowledge of non-medical employee at the Surabaya Islamic Hospital is declared good because by participating in the training they can on and skill in perform first aid action for fish. Thanks very much your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The basic and support and which was the evaluation analysis of non-medical employees was following PFS. And the first presentator is Mrs. Iin Murtiawani for presenting analysis of factor effective egress of acceptors in selecting implant in use in Wonosari Puskesmas working area.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning.
Good morning. Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, to the honorable lecturer, moderator, or presenter of paper in Strada International Conference on Health. First of all, I would like to say thank you for the special occasion given to me. Well, I am Mrs. Iin Murtiawani. I am a midwife in Wonosari Public Health Center. I am also the student from Master Degree of Public Health, Institute of Health Science Strada, Indonesia. Let me begin to explain the result of my research with title Analysis of Factors Affecting Interest of Acceptor in Selecting Implant in Use in Wonosari Puskesmas Working Area. Next. Introduction. Contraception is used to control population growth. Implants have several advantages over other methods of contraception. Only a few women of childbearing age choose implant. Why? What are the factors that influencing the choice of implant as a method of contraception? Next. Major aim of the research: knowing the factor that influence acceptor in selecting implant as a method of contraception. Income, whose knowledge, or husband support. Next. Research methodology. Research design, descriptive, correlative with cross-sectional approach, data collectional tool, questionnaire guide, sample, 117 respondents, was taken by sample random sampling technique, and variable, independent variable are knowledge, husband, support, and income. Dependent variable is the interest in using implants. Next. Result. Based on the analysis using statistical test of linear regression, there is no significant between income and whose interest in implant. There is significant between knowledge and whose interest in implant. There is no significance between husband support and whose interest in implants. Next. Discussion. Number one, there is no influence of socio-economic status with interest because the rate of health service is no issue with the implant. Number two, good knowledge is market by the mother knowing about what is happy, the purpose of family planning, benefit of family planning, type of family planning, and knowing the strength and ways of happy birth implants. Number three, there are main factors that influence behavior are internal factors, namely factor from the mother. One of them is mother knowledge, mother education, age, because the one that determines the decision to use family plan is the mother. So beside the mother factor is a supporting factor. Next. Conclusion. Income and husband support has less effect on whose interest in implanting implant. However, knowledge has the most significant on it. Good knowledge about the benefit of implant will increase the interest of whose in using contraceptive implants. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
If selected implant is used in one Sari Puskesmas working area, the sixth place of factor is Mrs. Suratul Aini, for presenting analysis of factors that influence the stunting event and to those in public health center dan Busari Blitar District.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, gentlemen and ladies. Hello.
Hello. Okay, please continue. It's okay.
My name is Quratul Aini. First to all, I would like to say thank you very much for this special occasion given to me, so I can present the result of my research with title Analysis of Factors that Influence the Stunting Effort in Toddlers in Public Health Center, Gandusari, Blitar District. I would like to explain the result of my research. Background: nutrition problem, explicitly stunting infants can inhibit adult development with negative impacts that will last in the next lives, such as intellectual decline, spasticity to non-communicable disease, the risk for disability to cash poverty, and the risk of giving birth to weak babies. Next. Design, analytic, cross-sectional study, venue and team. Public Health Center Gandusari in Blitar Regency from January to February 2020. Subject and sample of 115 mother of toddlers and toddlers by simple random sampling. Dependent variable studying is that independent variable parenting gives us the role of head of it. Analysis collected by quantities that were analyzed by PET analysis. Next. Result include parenting variable on the incidence of stunting infants 20%, p-value equal 0.0000 was an effect of variable on the incidence of stunting in first 6%, p-value equal 0.008. There was an influence on the role of the office head of the incidence of stunting in first 6.6%, p-value 0.003. Indirect influence by other factors. Conclusion. Next. Conclusion. It can be called the incidence of stunting in infants and the Gandusari Community Health Center is influenced by parenting. And the role of health workers at 23%, while the remaining 6-7% is influenced by other factors. Parenting, breakfast, the role of health worker are factors that influence the incidence of stunting. Lack of control led to the formation of negative attitudes towards stunting, preventing efforts by mother and church due to lack of information. Next. Documentation. Finally, I would like to say thank you to my advisor and participants for guiding me to finish my thesis. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
For presenting analysis factor of the influence of stunting event in Public Health Center Gandusari District. Okay, next presentator Mr. Sugianto for presenting the effect of in-house training supervision of the head of the one and team head digital based team on the performance of nursing care unit and the complement of nursing document in RSUD Dr. Harjono Ponorogo. And you have a 10-minute to listen, please, Mr. Sugianto.
I am Sugianto. I come from Dr. Harjono Public Hospital. I will explain my research by the title, The Effect of In-House Training Supervision for Head Unit and Head Team by Digital-Based to Nursing Performance and Completeness Nursing Documentation at Care Unit in Dr. Harjono Public Hospital, Ponorogo. Next. Yeah. Next. 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 Background in-house training is a method of training and education that is carried out by directly working in place to learn and immediately to job under the guidance by supervision. It is hoped that this in-house training can improve the performance, implementing nurse and assist nurse in documenting a complete nursing care. Next. Objective. The purpose of the research, the effectiveness of in-house training in effort to improve nurse performance and the completeness of nursing care documentation at Dr. Harjono S. Ponorogo Public Hospital. Next. The material and method. The research design, we use a quasi-experiment using the pre-test and post-test with control group approach. The sampling technique use probability sampling with a sample. There are 38 respondents in each group. The data analysis technique use multivariate t-test. Next. The result. The statistic test result on the nurse performance variable showed a significant value of 0.555 more than value alpha value 0.05. It meaning that the result accepted. And then statistic test result on the completeness of the nursing care documentation. And then for conclusion, there is no statistically significant difference between the performance of nurse and the treatment group and the control group with p-value 0.545. There was statistically significant difference between nursing documentation, the treatment group, and the control group with p 0.005. In-house training supervision is more effective than video presentation to improve the performance nurse and complete the documentation nursing care for nurse in the patient at the Dr. Harjono Public Hospital. Next. Next. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And hit digital based team on the command of the care unit and concentrate on documenting RSUD Dr. Harjono. The next presenter, Mrs. Sumaiya. The next presenter, Mrs. Sumaiya, for presenting behavior of midwife in infant management of donor sickness in the Ardi Mulyo Health Center in Malang Regency.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Honorable the moderator and the of participant Strata International Conference on Health. Today I want presentation my thesis with title Behavior of Midwife and Implementation Integrated Management of Toddler Sickness in the Ardi Mulyo Health Center in Malang Regency. Next. Behavior of midwife and implementation integrated management of toddler sickness in the Ardi Mulyo Health Center in Malang Regency. Next. Next. Background coverage of MTBS. Shortage of medical staff who have MTBS training. AKB in Akaba was high. Behavior of a midwife in the MTBS service. Next. Resource design, descriptive, qualitative, information, acting with midwife and public health center Ardi Mulyo. Technique sampling, purposive sampling, analysis, data using qualitative, technique attainment of MTBS. From the result of informant 1 to 80, the 40 people who can properly perform MTBS service and 4 other informant have yet to meet the MTBS standard service. The number of sick children receiving standard service is obtained from the not taken in reporting format. Ascertain the threat management of sick MTBS in fact is run according to the code of MTBS. The method of the recovery of current pneumonia cases in the Ardimulyo Singosari Center has its target. Next. Conclusion. Midwife behavior have met the standard, but some have not taken MTBS training and lack of MTBS service. Such factor is midwife knowledge, attitude, and administering MTBS. The main infrastructure of MTBS ministry, the training in sport of leader, the timing of the ministry. The obstacle to carrying out MTBS is the knowledge difference of parents have. The target of the number of child care visit is 6 in person at the MTBS facility in Ardimulyo district has been met. Documentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.